Alright, so to recap what just happened, I laid down the motor and put the frame coming in from the top. First, I thought I could fit the motor without doing anything, but I did have to remove this valve cover, which is located up top. It's super easy to remove, just 4 bolts on the side and 1 on each side on the edge, which is a Phillips screw. So I took that out, and the motor on the frame went into the motor super easy. After I put the motor back in, I put the valve cover back on, and motor mounts. I got 1 bolt that goes straight through the frame, and this is actually where the pegs are mounted. So front peg, left side peg is mounted directly in here, and then nut goes on top of that. And up here is where my swing arm went in. Just 1 long nut, or just one long bolt with seals on the edge here. I did get new seals because I don't think it was replaced since 1975. And let's see what else. I taped the frame with painter's tape to prevent any kind of scratches, dents on this brand new painted frame. Up here I have the top motor mount. The bolt comes in from the left side with spacer in here, and it gets attached to the clutch plate assembly. Again, this piece was powder coated. This is where the clutch cable is mounted to, and there are 2 bolts holding this bracket into the frame right here. Moving up to the front, I have 2 triangular pieces, which was also powder coated. It is held onto the motor by 1 bolt on the motor side and 2 bolts on the frame side, just like that. So that's it for day 1. I realized I had to get some bolts, so I'm gonna run to Lowe's and pick up some bolts for this bike so I can continue on assembling it. So yeah, it's coming together. I am happy as to how the frame came out and all the parts that I have been collecting. So thanks again for watching this. That is end of day 1. Day 2, I'm gonna be installing the suspension and the other motor components here and there. So thank you, and see you in my next video. Peace.